On September 10th, the ITER construction site dramatically changed its silhouette. In a 15-hour operation, the 800-ton roof structure for the assembly building was lifted 50 meters into its final position. Over the past months, the roof had been assembled on the floor beneath the steel frame building. Now it's tied to 22 steel cables connected to mighty hydraulic jacks, ready to be pulled into its final position. The day before, the structure had been carefully lifted a first 20 centimeters and left pending overnight, allowing the lasers to measure any deflection of the steel and to check the hydraulic pressure in the jacks. Slings still secure the monster on strings should the wind pick up.
Today it is a very special day. We are making a very important operation. It is the completion of the main structure of the assembly building. Today we will make the lifting of the roof. So you can see behind me the roof on the bottom, and in a couple of hours it will be on the top of this building.
The weather gods are merciful, and so on Thursday morning at 10:50, a siren indicates that the pressure in the hydraulic system is slowly building up to 300 bars. The big lift is about to begin. Mission Control is a small porta-cabin. From here, Reno Kaufman, project manager from the company Heavy Lifting, steers the operation.
The lifting equipment consists of hydraulic pumps, steel bundles and anchorages, and a certain control system to make sure we stay within the tolerances. And the tolerance from the highest to the lowest point is only 35 millimeters. We have a laser system on every axis, measuring the distance between the top, the final position, saying of the roof. There is a target consisting of prisms, and on the bottom we have a laser emitter constantly measuring the distance.
While Reno Kaufman and his colleagues start the systems, outside the cabin, the spectators to the show have gathered in anticipation. This is a big event, not only for those who've been involved in the actual construction work, but also for their supervisors.
We have already lifted roughly 10 meters. We are now doing the greasing, maintenance of the cables, and now it's a great day for us because it's a very important operation. We had a lot of effort from everybody on this, and we are really happy with that.
With 5 meters per hour, the roof goes up. The sound of the jacks pulling the strands is very subtle and almost absorbed by the hammering and welding noises all around. It will take some days before all the bolts and connections are in place and the cables can be removed. But from now on, the landscape of the Durance River Valley certainly has a new feature.